It's Valentine's Day 2015 and Kieran's looking for hearts hidden around the room. Hi, happy Valentine's Day. I'm taking a movie, not a picture. How many do you have in your basket already, Kieran?
8.
7.
7. Now 8.
Oh! Where was that? Underneath the mitten? Oh, that was
Right
pretty
here.
clever.
You're a good finder.
You are a good finder, and Daddy's a good hider. Happy Valentine's
Hi.
Day.
There's one more left and it's white.
White? Okay. Where is it? I can't find it.
Keep looking.
Daddy's. Oh yeah, I'm hot.
Okay, getting hotter.
Kind of warm.
Oh, he found it. He found all
Yay!
mine.
Yay! You found them all. All right, say goodbye.